ब्रेक के बाद आपका खैर मकदम है। तरक्की पजीर ममालिक के लिए रिसर्च एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम ने वजारत खारजा में और वजारत तालीम और सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी कश्मीर के इश्तराक से G20 यूनिवर्सिटी कनेक्ट प्रोग्राम का इनकाद किया। प्रोफेसर ए रविंद्रनाथ ने अपने इस्तकबालिया कलमात में कहा कि नौजवान किसी भी कौम की ताकत होते हैं और हमें उनकी तवन्नाइयों को बरोकार लाने और उन्हें सही समत देने की ज़रूरत है। RR भटनागर ने कहा कि सेंट्रल यूनिवर्सिटी G20 की मेज़बानी के लिए मुंतखब यूनिवर्सिटियों में शामिल है। ये बहुत फ़ख्र की बात है। जम्मू कश्मीर में मई के महीने में एक मीटिंग का इनकाद किया जाएगा। साबिक सफ़ीर JS मुकुल ने भी News18 से बात की और कहा कि जब सयाहत की बात आती है तो कश्मीर में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्कानात मौजूद है और सयाहत की सनत को फ़रोग़ देने और वादी के लिए एक सेहतमंद मईशत बनाने को यकीनी बनाया जाएगा।
We will certainly use this opportunity to showcase J&K as the best of tourist locations which can match any location in India. And today's effort was to not only educate our students, the faculty and our young ones about the history and analyze the potential that this G20 presidency has, but also to motivate them to participate in some of the ideals that we are propagating in this presidency, our national priorities and the new era of growth, development, peace and harmony, and also acknowledge India's place in the world order. So it is a great event, a great opportunity for us, for the youth of J&K, for the academics here, and we look forward to our next event which is going to be in May. Thank you.
G20 presidency to showcase India. There are going to be, as I mentioned, 200 plus meetings in more than 50 locations all across the country, from the north to the south, from the east to the west. So there are twofold advantages of this. One is, of course, to showcase India to the larger world, that they are able to see India as a mother of democracy in all its glory and all its diversity, in all its beauty. So that is one part. The other part is to take the G20 to our people of India, the youth, the students, and this particular program, as the title suggests, is a G20 Universities Connect, engaging young minds. So that, I think, explains it, that we are trying to take this to the various universities, to the various to the youth and to the people in general. There are lots of themes, and Jammu and Kashmir is going to benefit, particularly with regard to, as he said, tourism. There is, I believe, going to be a G20 working group meeting, and obviously tourism, for example, just to take one example, is very important for the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. So I think, again, as I mentioned, it will showcase the beauty of this country, the valley, and it's the springtime. It's I hadn't had much time, but what little I saw, I think that is something we need to be proud of and something we need to showcase to the larger world.